how do businesses make more money? I mean, that is the million-dollar question. That's a question every salesperson asks. It's a question every leader in a business asks. It's a question every business owner asks. It's a question I ask, and I'm sure it's a question every one of you ask as well. So while we're on the topic of asking questions, let me put one to you right now. What is it that your business sells? What is it that your business really sells? It is so important for a salesperson to be remembered. But to be remembered for the right reason. And I said to the young girl on my right, I said, what is it that makes you do this? Like, what's behind all this free hug campaign? And what she said actually stunned me. She said, every person that we meet has a story. And behind every story, there is another story. And it doesn't matter if they are wealthy or are on welfare. She said, sometimes our hugs save lives. And I thought, wow, that is one hell of a value proposition.
I'm Jeb Blunt, Managing Partner of the Outbound Conference, which is recognized as the world's premier sales conference. And because of this, we are very careful about the speakers we put in front of our global audience. For the past 3 years, we've invited Bernadette to speak at Outbound because her ideas are fresh, have depth, and our audience always walks away energized and ready to take action. We love working with Bernadette because she is enthusiastic, kind, makes everything easy, and is incredibly flexible. And this is exactly why she is one of my favorite speakers, and I highly recommend Bernadette.